Okay, children. So next we will discuss about example problems. But before that, I am giving a definition and formula. Then after that, we will discuss. Okay, problems. So here, arithmetic mean. So here definition once, sum of all observations by divide by number of observations. Therefore, x bar is equal to sigma xi by n. Simply you can write just x bar is equal to sigma x by n. This also you can write. Okay, children. So here this is the formula, this is definition. Then one problem, here one example problem we will discuss. See here. Right, first one example. Find the mean of first 5 odd numbers, odd natural numbers. Question very important. What is given? Find the mean. So what is the data of first 5 odd natural numbers? What are the first 5 odd natural numbers? Say first what is odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so on. But what they are asking? First 5 they are asking. Means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to 9 we have to take. Okay, children? So here solution, given data. What is given data? First 5 odd natural numbers. Yes, what are they? So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So now formula, mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Nothing but x bar is equal to sum of observations sigma xi by n. Okay, this is formula. Nothing but x bar is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 by 5. So here what is? So 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 9 25 by 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So x bar is equal to 5. Nothing but mean is equals to 5. So this is for the given data. Then we have to follow this. Okay, children? Let us discuss one more example. Yes, see. Right, find the mean of data 2, 7, 12, 5, 15. Yes, so this is given data. So we should find out mean. So first we have to write given data. So here no need to write ascending, descending. Only ascending or descending we have to use in the median when we are finding median. Right, given data. So what is given? 2, 7, 12, 5, 15. Then formula. Mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. So x bar is equal to sigma xi by n. Then x bar is equal to 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus 5 plus 15 by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So here then what we will get? 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 plus 5, 26. 26 plus 5, 31. 31 plus 10. So 41. So here 41 by 5. 5 ones are 5 8s are 40. Remaining 1 is there, means if you take point it will become 10. 5 2s are. So therefore x bar is equal to 8.2. Nothing but mean is equals to 8.2. This is children how to find out. Okay. Now let us discuss the example exercise problem, textbook example problems. Okay children. Then see what is given. So in the textbook, example 1, just I am giving number, then question I am reading, I am not going to write on the board, just solution we will see. Ashok got following marks in the different subjects in a unit test. What are they? So 20, 11, 21, 25, 23 and 14. So these many marks Ashok got in the unit test in different subjects. What is arithmetic mean of his marks? Okay children, we'll see. Right, solution, given data. What is given? 20, 11, 21, 25, 23 and 14. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now mean. Formula. Sum of observations by number of observations. So x bar is equal to sigma xi by n. Then x bar is equals to 20 plus 11 plus 21 plus 25 plus 23 plus 14 by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay children. So here what? 20 plus 11, 31, 31 plus 21, 52, 52, 25, 77, 77, 20, 97 plus 3, 100, 100 plus 14, 114 by 6. Then if you cancel here, then x bar is equals to what we will get? 114, 6. 6 ones are 6. means 5 will be 54. Okay, 6 8s are 6 9s are 54. Then so if you cancel here, 6 1s are 6 19s are 114. So 19, nothing but mean is equals to 19. Okay children, so next then this next example we will discuss in the next class. Okay.